Alright you guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Sarah and this is Rich and Sarah Learning as We Grow. And today I'm just doing a quick Dollar Tree fall haul for you guys. I went to the Dollar Tree a few days ago. I picked up a few things and I didn't spend a ton of money. I think I spent $20 or under, but they're just some cute little like fall must-haves and Halloween must-haves that will make your fall and autumn season that much brighter. Are you ready? Let's do this. Alright you guys, so the first thing that I just could not leave the store without are these cute little fall leaf lights. They are battery operated. They're called LED leaf lights and they are for indoor use only, 3 feet length, and it requires 2 AA batteries. And oh my goodness, I don't know if you guys can see, they are so cute. They're just like perfect little leaves. I'm just gonna sprinkle them around in the house somewhere and just have it look kind of festive and fallish. And so what I love about this is that you can put them up now in September and they can last throughout Halloween, they can last throughout Thanksgiving, all the way up until you put your Christmas decor around your home. And they were only $1. So I bought 2 packs of these and I just thought, you know what, why not? They're cute, they're merry, they make me happy, and they're very, the glow that they let off, it looks like it's very warm and just so fallish, right? So anyway, these, first thing I got. All right guys, so here's a Halloween item for you. How cute are these? So they're salad tongs, but they're like little skeleton hands, and we're having a Halloween bunko party here at our house. It's not huge, there's maybe like 20 people, but it is a couples party and you dress up like for Halloween, and so I try to do all the food very like Halloweenish, and so I thought this would be so cute like in the salad, or I don't know, pasta salad or something that we do. And they were $1. I mean, when are you ever gonna find these, right? Had to get them. Okay, so I have this obsession, you guys. I've told you about it before. It just kind of happened this last couple, I don't know, 3-4 months maybe. Maybe over the summer, we'll say. I've been like obsessed with doing my own nails, and I'm not doing the gel or anything. They're just kind of my own. And yeah, I just like I'm just enjoying having my nails painted a lot, like myself, just doing them myself. And so I change the color quite often, and I wanted like the perfect pumpkin-y orange, like not a super like neon orange, but like a pumpkin orange. And I found it today at the Dollar Tree, you guys. It is by Sinful Colors Professional right here, and it is the perfect, can you see that? It's the perfect pumpkin orange nail polish. I will show you as I turn it around in my hand. Do you guys see that? $1. I mean, you cannot beat that. And they had every color under the sun for Halloween. They had blue, they had black, they had that like really pretty kind of like maroonish brown color. $1. You gotta get this. All right, you guys, so there are 2 of the Dollar Tree signs that I like that say fall and harvesty kind of things. Here is the first one, and I like this one because it says thankful, grateful, and truly blessed. And I figure this can kind of stay up throughout the fall and in, you know, Halloween, the autumn months, all the way into November, and it can kind of go into Thanksgiving because it talks about being thankful. And I'm probably going to put this in one of our windows, and I'm doing a full fall home decor vlog for you guys where I will show you every room in our house here in the next, probably next week. You'll get that out in the next few days maybe. So I think that will be part of my fall home decor. Next sign. All right, so some of you guys who are new to our channel, you might not know that I am a homeschooling mom to 3 little boys. They are all little guys. My oldest is 7, and then our twins are 4 years old. So we have a room in our home that we turn into our homeschool room, and I used to be an elementary school teacher, and so being true to that, I love to decorate for all the holidays. We have bulletin boards in our schoolroom that I decorate, and I found this little owl for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and he makes me laugh. Like, I think because he and I kind of have like the same big-eyed glasses look. Like, I don't know, what do you guys think? Do we totally look like we could be twins? I mean, something about the big eyes, the big glasses, I don't know. So he's gonna go up in our schoolroom, and he just makes me smile, and he's kind of Halloween-y with his black and purple. So he'll probably just stay up until after Halloween. He makes me feel smarter. All right, here's where I don't know if you're gonna think like, this girl's totally weird, or you can't do that till Christmas, or I don't know what you're gonna think, and I don't really even know what I think about it yet, you guys. But I saw this thing on Pinterest. I know you guys are like, really, Pinterest? But I saw this cute thing on Pinterest. You guys all know you look at Pinterest to find ideas. We don't always make Pinterest-worthy things, but it's so much fun to look and to just like imagine. So they showed this thing where you made a fall, like, harvesty Christmas tree, okay? It's not supposed to be like Christmassy at all. It's supposed to be like woodsy. And so like you find pine trees out in the woods, and they were talking about, you don't decorate, I mean, some people do Halloween ones. I don't want to do Halloween. I want to do harvest and autumn and very fallish. Like you would see a pine tree kind of out in the forest and not think of, you're not supposed to think of it as like a Christmas tree. So like a harvest tree. So we have a fake, you know, artificial Christmas tree that's not our typical, like our normal Christmas tree that we use in our living room. But it's one that I just kind of had for decoration, and it has clear lights, and it's very floofy, like fluffy kind of, that's a technical term. It's very fluffy and full is what the word I was trying to look for. So I'm like, maybe I can turn this into a fall harvest tree. So I had this brilliant idea that I was going to go to the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to find everything orange and gold and reds and like all the classic colors of autumn to put on my harvest tree. And so I don't know, I talked to the kids about it because I don't want them to feel like mom's putting up a Christmas tree, now Christmas is here. I don't want to be one of those people that's like advocating Christmas in September, but I don't know if my vision's gonna come true yet. So I'm gonna work on that tonight, and I will try and show you guys that in tomorrow's vlog. But let me show you what I got for my harvest tree anyhow. Okay, so the tree is artificial and it already has clear lights on it. So I found these clippy leaves. Like, look at, there's little clips in the back, and they just clip right on the branches, and they're super, can you guys see, they're super sparkly? And I just think they might look so pretty on the tree with the white lights against them. So I found them, and I bought like 2 pairs of every color. So here's kind of like the reddish orange, like the burnt orange color. Okay. And here is the more Halloween-y orange. Can you guys see the difference? Let me show you the two together. Do you guys see the difference? I know Rich, my husband's gonna be like, there's no difference. It's like, there's a difference. There's pumpkin orange and there is rust. And then I also bought the gold, okay? So those are the 3 different colors. I'm gonna snap these on the tree, and we're gonna see if we get a harvest tree, you guys. So if you, I'm kind of trying to become more like farmhouse style throughout the house. So I want it to be very woodsy and farmhousey and just, I don't know, like, we're gonna see if this is a DIY, a DIY Dollar Tree pass or fail. So you guys will have to watch tomorrow to find out. Okay, so my mom was with me, and she's like, oh, you should like do some like ribbon across it. And so we found this like really kind of pretty sheer, it's kind of a sparkly gold. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm looking at it in the camera. Yeah. So we were like, oh, we can like kind of bunt this across the harvest tree. And then my goal is at Thanksgiving, we always do a grateful, thankful, grateful tree, or like I make leaves, and the kids write on the leaves like what they are thankful for every day in the month of November up until Thanksgiving. And I normally put it around like our schoolroom, but I thought how cute would it be to make the leaves and just put those leaves on the tree like starting in November, so the kids can kind of enjoy it like all through the autumn and the fall, and then in November like they'll put it on the thankful tree, and then on Thanksgiving we read them all. So we kind of always do. That's kind of been in my mind as well. Okay, and then I also just got some like school supply stuff too. I bought some pencils, and then I bought some scissors, like the little like preschool kind of scissors, and that is it, you guys. All right, you guys, I have to add that I do go to the Dollar Tree quite often, like probably way more than is healthy for the average mom to go. But this was my haul for this week, and I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try so hard to contain myself from going back until next week. But it probably won't work. All right, you guys, if you liked today's vlog and you want to see more like them, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and click that little bell. And we are vlogging every single day from now until whenever, like till Christmas, about fall stuff. But we also vlog about Disneyland. We're gonna be going to Disneyland this fall and Halloween season, and they do awesome things. We are gonna share our everyday family life with you. We're getting ready to start back to school with our kids, and I will be sharing homeschool mom vlogs. We are military family. I have twins. I have all boys. I do funny skits with my husband. We do all sorts of stuff here on our channel. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss a moment of fun. And until next time, our ending saying is always, keep on growing. Peace. See you mañana. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.